Hi, I don't know तुम लोगों के पास आज कितना टाइम है, but since I was documenting EOTD and one thing led to another and I was just browsing through stuff and I just went down like a huge fucking, that's what she said, uh, memory lane and I was this also made me curious कि कहाँ हम लोगों ने again like we have discussed this. I was thinking maybe साथ हम लोग ना we can have a small little task of all the places that we actually visited while हम लोग EOTD कर रहे थे. Let me just make a new EOTD places. I'll just write it in caps, put something in points. Bulleted list, no, numbered list, yeah, that sounds good. ये किया हुआ हमने, I know हमने किया हुआ, I know हमने किया हुआ, and but this just anyways, and also like थोड़ा सा देख लेंगे थोड़े से EOTDs. I know हमने किया हुआ, it's actually in my phone notes which I have. मेरे को पता है वो that we have done it. In fact, I think I have it right now. But this is pretty cool because we'll actually go in a sequential manner. I don't know where we'll reach, how my ADHD is gonna kick in, but yeah. और क्या है कहाँ है? See, there it is. We've done Jammu, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu. That are the state cities: Noida, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Panchkula, Katra. Bhubaneswar. Katra is Vaishno Devi. Bhubaneswar, Coimbatore, Kunnur कब गए हम? Oh, Kunnur. Jodhpur, Delhi, Corbett, Kullu. Yeah, that's the. When did we make that list? How old is that list? That's my question. That list is 26 March 2013. Let me say it again. 1 साल पुरानी लिस्ट है. उसके बाद 1 सेकेंड क्या नहीं हुआ है हमारे साथ. 1 सेकेंड. Since 26 March 2023, I can't even believe this. वो date is ancient now because the amount of shit that has happened to me since 1 year is fuck. Oh my god. बस मैंने वो timeline अपने दिमाग में रखे and you will not believe the amount. Fuck that. Even including the number of people I have met, it's also I do have a small can. यहाँ पर ना like of course ये तो इंडिया नोएडा में भी मिलते हैं, यहाँ cans मिलते हैं. And I don't know how I have this, but I have this. But anyways, let's get on to it. And मैं तो अभी also Janvi, because you were not there for some of, like, this is gonna be pretty interesting to you because there are a lot of things, lot of trigger points here while you'll see why. So this is definitely Christmas because of the thing I'm wearing, and I have a violin जो ऋषभ जैन का है. अभी तक this is the more, like, I think this is the most important picture of EOTD ever. I'm not even kidding. Literally आज ही मैंने इसी पिक्चर की, you see this picture, इसका मैंने एक पॉडकास्ट बनाया. अरे यार मैं ना आज बहुत लुडविग भी देख रहा था and a lot of movies. Let me just close everything. Actually तानपुरा ऑन रहने देते हैं. I was also using ChatGPT. इसको नहीं ऑफ करना. How did you see the podcast? I literally just did it. How the hell did you see that? ये देखो. If you go to Vinayak Rao Poetry, there's a podcast now with this picture. Anyways, zoom in. I think I can zoom in. Oh, it's in the description of the premiere. Oh, interesting. ये बहुत cool है. This is so. I'm also gonna So this is the first EOTT जो हमने घर से बाहर किया है. This was New Year's, day 36. वरुण का घर है ये. And मैं यही सब देख रहा था. First यार proper EOTTs है यार. I think this is the time जब Coverogram was getting released because I see day 60. This is Lucknow, I think, if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure though, because ये definitely I can see Roshu here. मेरी बहन है इसमें. I think this is Lucknow. So maybe we can just add Lucknow to the list. ठीक है? And yeah, Janvi, this is the perfect example of why I do not include people in EOTD. कार्तिक बहुत प्यारा दोस्त है मेरा, बहुत अच्छा था. इसमें कार्तिक है. I think this was a good EOTD though. I just watched this entire thing and I could see myself getting uncomfortable because here's the thing. जब भी मैं EOTD जाता हूँ, there's this inner me that really wants to sing. Like, और जब तक वो fulfill नहीं होता, I generally do not. It's basically EOTD. It's basically my fulfilling of कि कुछ गाया है. उस वीडियो में I can see the hijack of EOTD. And I think it's day 76. Yeah, it's day 76. Let me zoom out just a little. And yeah, how do I keep this? Yeah, so इसमें proper hijack है. मैं ज़्यादा गा नहीं पाया. So this is for me. This is not a good EOTD. Also, I think yeah. I did love it. Like, I think there are instances in this जहाँ कार्तिक पता नहीं क्या chords बजाया था, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा भी आया. And that was cool. That was really cool. But हाँ, मेरे को अब like we're heading here. This is a dark day of EOTD. Day 95 है, 96 लिखा है. And I feel like a document. This feels like a document. Hi, मैं पीछे से दिख रहा हूँ. But this feels like a documentary of EOTD. But ये day 95 हमने miss कर दिया. I forgot to upload it. This is all Instagram. I think this was the first stream ever. Ooh, this is the first time I made an instrument. For day 100, I actually made an instrument, a harmonizer. It's very long. The only problem with Instagram playment, I can't forward shit. So I'm not gonna play this shit. Okay, this is the worst day of EOTD world. How do you remember it very well? I've forgotten it. But this is the darkest day of EOTD. This is how I'm gonna say it. This is the worst EOTD day ever. This is the most painful thing I have ever, like. This is good. Aditi hai, Amber, like everything about, like all, I am surrounded by people I love, but it is still a dark day. क्या हाल है नेहा? अब तू आई है तो मुझे पता है मैं कौन सा गाना गाने वाला हूँ. मुझे पहले ही पता था मैं आदमी बनता है. This is proper drama. I think so. I think this Vinayak already knew he was gonna fucking play आदमी बन जरा. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा गाता हूँ गाना. I need to make new songs. क्या हाल है नेहा? मैं you didn't come yesterday, but this is definitely this is precisely this day. This fucking day is precisely the reason I find a quiet place. I find where there are no people, where there are no humans around me, because this is the perfect. This day traumatizes me till date. ठीक है? That's the beautiful. Neha ने जो कहा गया था, that was beautiful. This is day 111. But this is. I'm not saying this is the worst EOTD, but it is one of the worst. I think it has to be in the top 10 most disgusting experiences I've ever had while doing EOTD. The only good part about this is that Neha made a curve, which was fucking beautiful. Oh, right. It is not a drama. I actually wanted to sing.
I'm
playing ukulele because obviously इसका मतलब एक ही है कि I'm not at my own place, piano नहीं है और मैं कहीं और आया हूँ. तो we've established अगर मैं घर पे नहीं होऊंगा तो मैं ukulele लेके घूमूंगा. Hi Mahima. Do you wanna? बहुत धन्यवाद नेहा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Janvi, do you wanna see the most painful EOTD of all time? ये यूकेलेले बहुत डिट्यून रहता था हमेशा. So this is the most tuned it can go, like tune. I think so. ये देखो पैरा डिस्ट्रैक्शन. सामने आके मेरे आके बात करने लग जाएगा. I remember this day traumatizing me. I don't remember exactly हुआ क्या था. I can hear it. हाँ मैं रूफ पे हूँ.
He's actually very familiar to my village.
अच्छा.
ये क्या है ये? मैं एक कोने में आया हूँ और उसके जस्ट यहाँ पर आके बैठ गया ये बंदा. उफ.
नहीं बस थोड़ा बहुत हरियाणा का मेरे को आ गया था. मैंने सोचा तू कहाँ का है, बोलता कि मैं little bit sorry he's playing so I don't want.
It's actually hilarious when I see this now.
5 किलोमीटर दूर की गांव से है.
It's not about loudly. He sat right next to my phone. He could have. मैं literally कोने में गया जहाँ कोई नहीं था. And the only reason I could do it here was because net यहीं पर आ रहा था. He is. That's the. He just sat down to me because I was singing and like उसको सुनना नहीं था. It's just कुछ हो रहा है. I remember when I do this यहाँ पर गाते हुए. This is like a old like this shows me an entire generation of आदमी बंजारा, the way I used to sing it, because I think that has also evolved. कुछ तो बोलेगा ये. Thanks to auntie, वो I think वो उनको पता था I was doing it, उन्होंने try किया. Anyways, this gets really painful later. Like I am not gonna play it. Anyways, time भी नहीं हमारे पास, इतना नहीं है भाई कि हम एक UTD पूरा बैठ के देखें. And anyways, so I think this is yeah. This is Chandigarh. I randomly just clicked it and I realized this is Chandigarh. This is weird. And इसके मैं एक ही दिन के लिए चंडीगढ़ गया था, so मैंने ये accidentally दबाया. Because this does look weird. I've always had 2 phones, no, to do EOTD. That is pretty interesting. So this looks I'm outside. Oh right. This is another perfect example of why I do not like humans when I am doing EOTD. Even though ये मेरे favorite humans in the world है.
अरे वो गाना तो कंप्लीट करने दे.
This is near Kasol. पार्वती's lap है ये. तो हम हिमाचल प्रदेश पहुंच चुके हैं. And this is after I've asked them to be quiet.
And मैं यहाँ पर EOTD 140.
Wait, I didn't read that Noida वाला.
And मैं थोड़ा सा वेट कर रहा हूँ, सब थोड़ा शांत होंगे तो मैं गाऊंगा. And
पहले नोएडा तो डालो लॉल
मेरा एक दोस्त है निशान,
लॉल द गार्डन
मैंने
सिटीज
बोला
एंड
था
स्टेट्स
कि
आर
पैंट
ओके
गाने गाना, तो मैं आज उस पैंट का ही गाना गाऊंगा।
लेट मी जस्ट डू नोएडा इज वन
हम थोड़ी देर के लिए ओए निशान, हम थोड़ी देर के लिए थोड़ा सा शांत हो सकते हैं। गाइस
दिस इज सो पेनफुल एनीवेज ये मैंने एक रैंडम बस स्टॉप पे किया है थिंग्स टू डू फॉर यूटीडी एनीवेज आई होप आई दिस इज वैष्णो देवी हम कतरा पहुंच चुके हैं जम्मू
गलती
जम्मू This is pretty cool. Sorry, Tranai, I'm so sorry. This is the hotel room. गौरव भी होगा. कुछ लोग बहुत sweet रहे हैं with EOTD. गौरव is one of them. Even though बेचारा मेरे साथ 4-5 दिन ही था. ना, नहीं वो घर आके भी सुना था उसने एक. He's actually been one of the sweetest guy with EOTDs. मेरे DTU के कुछ DTU वाले लोग बड़े इज्जत करते हैं. I like DTU वाले लोग. This is यहाँ पर अंकित है. अंकित whenever Ankit is in the room, I know for a fact शांति होगी वहाँ. Like that's how special Ankit is. तो ये हम वापस HP आ गए हैं and we are going to if I'm not wrong हमटा पास गए थे यार which is Manali. तो this must be Manali. वो भी सिसु लेक. Yes, this is Sisu Lake.
Yeah.
This is proper Hamta Pass. This is one of the most gorgeous places I've ever done EOTD. This is the most gorgeous place I've ever done EOTD. How can I say one of the way? Look at this. We were trekking, but since the daylight was going, I was like, let's stop. And हमें पता नहीं था कब रुकेंगे because I think this is one of the most beautiful EOTDs of all time. This is 187. I can even write that, right? And this is, oh, look at that, man.
EOTD 187.
188 भी यही है. This place was actually the prettiest EOTD place in the world.
EOTD 187.
But yeah, what place is this? I don't know what angle is this? What is wrong with me? ये क्या ये? Oh, this is I think मोहित की छत. I remember because of the moon. ये नोएडा ही है. पार्टी कर रहे थे हम उसकी छत पे मैंने बहुत पार्टियां करी हैं. दिस लुक्स लाइक 100. देखा मैं हैट्स देख के ही पहचान जाता हूँ कि ये कोई हंड्रेड्स में. सो दिस इज 200 थिएटर. आई लुक सो गुड. ओ माय गॉड, व्हाट द फक. एंड आई नो इट्स नॉट द एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट ऑफ इट, बट आई लाइक दैट एवरीवन सिंगिंग एंड नॉट टॉकिंग. दैट मैं बता रहा हूँ ना यार, मेरे DTU वालों के साथ तो ये दिक्कत कभी नहीं आई. Like I think DTU has been a patient listener. This is Gurgaon. Actually, this is near Manesar. I don't know if we should add that. Let's just add that. Gurgaon, Manesar-ish, Haryana. I was so drunk. Anyways, Moonara day. Khushbu also joined. Oh, I love this कुर्ता भाई. ये सब मैं कुछ चीज़ें घर पे छोड़ाया. Oh, I remember हम लोग ने इस पे वो फिल्टर्स चेकआउट करे थे. नंबर नहीं डाला उसका. That's 205. I don't know what we'll do with this list, but maybe कुछ ना कुछ आ जाएगा इसमें. I think इसमें I think do I stream here for the first time ever? Yeah, I think this is my first stream ever. Yeah, this is my first stream ever. डे नहीं पता अब तो या आई थिंक ओ दिस इज प्रीटी कूल मैं चेस खेलते खेलते जीतते हुए जानवी
I hope my life.
I played Hallelujah. I should, which reminds me, मैंने पहले ही checkmate कर दिया. I should have done the entire क्योंकि बस इतना time था. I could have finished the song then did checkmate. मुझे इतना regret हुआ था. I think I even spoke about it in the. ये कितना shit angle पे मैंने हाँ this is much better. But yeah, I think ये streaming वाले दिन शुरू थे. Thank God we're over this shit, man. I hate browsing through. This is gonna be so much easier. I hate Instagram पे watching. Let me just say, let's not do it ever again. I hate it. ये कितना convenient है. You can even see thumbnails. So it's just fucking beautiful. YouTube is the best thing that Instagram not like Instagram stop. Instagram में upload करना was also such a task. आज मैंने 25 वीडियो upload करी हैं. This doesn't look like my house. What is this place?
When you see someone crying, you tend to.
I don't know what is this place. What the fuck is this place?
क्या हाल है? मैं ना कुछ ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
कतरा का नहीं डाला
अगर वो
हमने.
मिल गया उससे एपिक. ओहो वो मिल गया उससे एपिक चीज कुछ नहीं होगा.
कतरा
Must be a long thing, no?
170. It's okay. It's okay if we don't miss out something.
I don't think इसमें है. Or is it?
What is this place? What is wrong with me?
On yes. ये पता है like I'll tell you I don't know how many of you know about आदमी बंजरा का history. किसको पता है आदमी बंजरा एक
Where the fuck am I?
I'm some. मैं आज हैप्पी बर्थडे यश जो यहाँ पर हो सब यश का बर्थडे.
यश का birthday. This means ये आदमी बंजरा की anniversary है, which is pretty cool that the first EOTD we upload is the 21st August. मंगोटिया मैम का birthday. सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि मेरा first upload is also मंगोटिया मैम का birthday. My first fucking song is also मंगोटिया मैम का birthday. So that's pretty cool. It has to be 21st August. अच्छा मैंने उसी दिन थोड़ी upload किया होगा. What is this place?
दोस्त रजत सूद.
Let me see if we can find if we're out in hills through the last EOTD I uploaded.
फिर बड़ा beautiful process था मेरे हिसाब से. I know it sounds pretty boring but
No,
everything just happened
this is my house.
अपने आप in its own time.
Abey Vinayak, where the fuck are you?
I have it. 2021.
This is my cousin's place. I can't be here for one day. I have my guitar. Wait, you're right. Maybe we'll find a clue. Oh, this is the ये मैंने थोड़ा इशू कर दिया. ये ना मेरे को एक सेपरेट टैब में ही खोलना चाहिए. ये देखो स्क्वायर इमेज आज ही डाला है मैंने पॉडकास्ट लिटरली. Is this? I'm not sure, but I think it's you're right. Oh my god, there are a bunch of guitar. Oh, I think. I think you're right.
Oh, I didn't text. Okay, I'm live.
I didn't text trying to hide. This is cute. I think you might be. I think you're right because your lighting is something Roshni would do. This might be Lucknow again. अरे अब मुझे वो वाला भी confirm that ना. Yeah, I think this is Lucknow. क्या बात है China Height? I'm very impressed right now. So this is. Should I let you be? I'm gonna let you. They did move to Jammu, but I think we're not in Jammu. Yeah, how that you know too much now. Lol. You're right.
बढ़िया रही होगा तो मजा आया
You're very on point, right? That's cool trying to hide. Your memory should be. You should. Your memory now is dangerous. Hai. What if people start doing? Oh, look at this. I have a chess clock on the thumbnail. I have the coolest thumbnails, man. Like I think all of these thumbnails are fucking amazing. I did go to Jammu, yes. I think मैं कभी कभार आपकी कमेंट 2 बार पढ़ लेता हूँ. Oh, this is the time हमने stream किया था with Armin's picture on. And that uncle is a mama, yes, very true. This is pretty cool, man. I don't remember tiebreaker. What the fuck is a tiebreaker? I am wearing a tie.
I don't know who will join up.
It's wow, a 1 minute 38 second video.
I've come live twice.
Oh right, we were gonna check if the tie was अच्छे से made because we were gonna open it. Oh, so वो तुरंत खुलती है कि नहीं? That's a sign of a good tie.
एक सेकेंड पितृदेव हमने मेन चीज तो देखी नहीं पहली एंड कर दिया यार आई फॉरगॉट टू
What is this hairstyle? I love it.
डू द हमने चेक ही नहीं किया ये टाई सही बंदी वेट let's at least wait for try and hide
मेरे को इतना प्राउड फील हो रहा है जब भी मैं आपके लिए इतना वेट कर रहा हूँ.
मैं चला गया था बट आई couldn't go before you know checking कि हमने टाई सही बंदी थी या नहीं तो हम चेक कर लेते हैं कि फाइ so the logic is that if मैं अगर ये निकाल देता हूँ यहाँ से whichever side so it should be straight there should not be a knot so hi Pithidev मैंने ये चेक ही नहीं किया हमने कि टाई सही बांध दी कि नहीं so let's just take it out and see if it's fine.
Oh my god, this is
what
annoying.
we did today worked and it should and it did so it is a perfectly tied up tie. Yeah, show off करने के लिए live
Yeah, I just opened a can.
Good night. Bye bye.
That is one of the most beautiful EOTD moments of all time. I'm sorry, but it is. That's the perfect 322 EOTD I could have ever watched. A 1 minute. I came back live again, Janvi, just to open that tie. And I love the fact that I named it Tiebreaker. Oh, good days. What are we recording here? Let's see. 329. We're on 329.
बड़ा obvious शुरू है
Oh, this is Mataya Gair. क्या बात है? Someone commented hi. Is this you, Rana? I can? Oh, anyways, अब तो हम आ गए. I think this is not this. Look at this. This is not my house. I think so. Yeah, this is a hotel room. Am I in Odisha? I'm in washroom. I'm in Odisha right now. How can I be in Odisha for 1 day?
What place? Like I'm pretty sure यहाँ लोग party करते होंगे washroom के अंदर.
How can I be in Odisha for 1 fucking day?
किया था UTD में. When I was traveling in Manali.
This is Bhubaneswar, yes. Odisha. What is ऐसे
मम्मा सो गई हैं
मैंने गाया हैप्पी बर्थडे उनके लिए ऑफ कोर्स. तो मैं सही लिखा था. This is also this is cool. This is the first EOTD in a fucking washroom, but that washroom was fucking amazing. Like, no kidding. That's the best washroom I've ever been in. Hands down. Where were we? 330, 35, right? Yeah, that's... I think we've missed some places. This looks like a cool EOTD. Oh, electric guitar days. Wait. And... This is... Oh, I think we're back in Chandigarh now. Oh, this is where my guitar broke, no? I think this is... जानवी, ये गिटार अभी टूटने वाला है. ये लास्ट EOTD है. नहीं, actually we got it fixed, but... ओए bro, ये तानपुरा के साथ... This is one of the... I think 2 या 3... Oh, this was one of those days where it is fucking traumatic because I am very pained because अभी मेरा guitar टूटा था, but I was amongst everyone I loved to my heart. Like every fucking one I loved was right there. So when you hear this laugh, you hear basically I'm hearing my family, my brothers and sisters, and my best friends. So it's a... What did I sing?
ओए सार्थक पहले बात बता, ढंग से आवाज आ रही है?
मैंने ये सुना जैसे
केक कप बॉल्स के में अगर आवाज आ रही है ढंग से.
केक कप बॉल्स, how can I forget about केक कप बॉल्स? चंडीगढ़ was 359.
आवाज आ रही है ढंग से.
उससे बोले सार्थक को नया वाला दे.
तो वेट कर रहा हूँ उसकी.
मैं तो सार्थक एक नया दे दे. अच्छा तो दे दे.
Everyone's so
Can
calm.
you hear
I
us?
love it.
Can you hear?
What did I sing though?
Clips of you.
I think I just sang a Sargam and I left.
आवाज आएगी.
Oh my god, that's a sad EOTD. Anyways, dark take. Oh, this is a beautiful. Ye, Janvi, this is a perfect example of things I did for EOTD. मैं पूरा चंडीगढ़ घूमा and I rented this guitar for $300 for a night. Pretty cool.
क्या सुनना चाहेगा?
Pretty cool. I feel it's a cool story. I think this is a very cool EOTD story. I should maybe... Which EOTD? 360 per 300 wala guitar. I don't know what type of notes are these. Anyways. And right. It's... Oh, I do remember this. Comic Con India. And I got my face painted. I went to the lady and she was like, क्या paint कर? I said, please make a balloon on my face. उसने मुझे ऐसा देखा, उसने बोला, okay. Then everyone started clicking pictures with me. Everyone thought I was some sort of character with this setup. और मैं तो बस अच्छा बन के गया था. That's true. इसी में डाल रहा हूँ मैं, इसी लिस्ट में, you know, it's Vaibhav came to EOTD. I do not remember this. This is Vaibhav.
नहीं बना ले भाई.
This is my best friend in the whole world.
भाई मेरी रेटिंग 1000 आती है और कम हो जाती है फिर.
I can never. Yeah. Really? That's cool. This is my Christmas tree. This is pretty cool, Janvi. ये हमने बनाया. राइट ने भी तो बनाया था ये. That's how I know of him. again, this now, I think this is Lucknow again. मैं कितना लखनऊ गया हूँ? I think the first video was not Lucknow. तो हम 400 पे दोबारा लखनऊ गए थे. Of course. So I'll show you the tree again. So ये लैडर है एक टूटी फूटी जो मेरे घर पे थी, उसको हमने सजाया, लाइट्स लगाई. एंड यू सी दिस स्मॉल लिटिल पेपर्स, ये वो हैं पोस्टिट्स, लाइक दीज पोस्टिट्स, बट ग्रीन कलर के. एंड सब पे गालियां लिखी हैं हर टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज में. सो या, that was pretty cool. I look so young, it's weird. I look fucking young in this. What the hell? Vinayak तो बुड्ढा हो रहा है. I look like another person, right? I look like a kid here.
श्री शक्ति, yes. भाई ये pretty sad है कि तुम उस state में 8 घंटे.
ऐसे ही यार, ऐसे ही मेरे नोट मेकिंग स्किल्स को मत जज करो. दुनिया में सब नोट्स अलग तरीके से बनाते हैं. लुक हाउ ऑर्गेनाइज दिस इज. एनीवेज, ये बहुत ही वार्म चीज़ है जो मेरी कज़न ने गिफ्ट किया. आई शुड हैव ब्रॉट इट हियर, बट वो बहुत भारी है. एंड आई थिंक वी आर एट होम फॉर अ व्हाइल. Ooh, this looks fancy. This is not my house.
This is.
Where the fuck am I?
And I'm very sleepy. आज मैं अपने दोस्त के घर के आऊँ.
कौन सा दोस्त?
And I'm very sleepy.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I think I missed a very important news already. उसमें मधुरिमा है. I am not lying. I think I missed an EOTD जिसमें मधुरिमा है. ये रहा. ओ, इसमें विनीत है. Day 155. इसमें मधुरिमा है यार. There's Arham, there's Mahaba, there's Shreya, there's Mithit. Look at this Vineet.
ये हेलो EOTD 150 ये देखो मैं
Francois.
Sing a song.
Arham. This is actually a core EOTD moment also. This is a core life moment, I think. Not that every EOTD is not a core life moment.
मैं अभी अपने म्यूजिक सोसाइटी के साथ हूँ. बड़े सारा.
I'm not kidding, Janvi. The EOTD we did together, that was also fucking amazing. That's also a life core moment. I'm not kidding. I say that with utmost humility and love. That is a life core moment. Anyways, I don't remember which किसके घर हूँ मैं.
And
दोस्त का घर है.
मेरे को रियलाइज हो रहा है मैं बूढ़ा होता जा.
ये ब्रोशे मैंने कब पहना था? Wait, you saying मैंने ये आपने एक ही नोट में अलग तरीके यूज करे हैं? I'm also judging. Yeah, no, that lol, Janvi. I'm so sorry. मैं चैट जीपीटी से उसको ठीक करवा सकता हूँ. I also want to be in this irregular Excel sheet lol basically for categories. I think you can do that in Notion as well.
And
also, I don't want you guys to wait. That's my biggest criteria because it can go on for
very tired.
Literally 700 hours.
रात में सुबह जिम चला गया and then I'm at my friend's place.
कौन सा friend?
हाँ भाई पिलाए जा रहे हैं भाई. And I'm so tired. Anyways, मैं बहुत मजे में आ रहा हूँ. बहुत सारे musicians हैं जो मैं अभी दिखाने वाला हूँ.
Oh, good.
This song. So I know I will not.
Oh, this is Delhi. This is Delhi. This is Delhi. This is Aditya का घर. I think so. I think I showed the entire space It's pretty cool. The place was pretty fucking amazing.
माँ का फोन आ गया था, शुरू करते हैं.
Yeah, I remember mom calling me also. Look at this place. This is Aditya ka ghar. This is Aditya ka room. ये देखो, यहाँ से मैं बेसमेंट में जाऊंगा. यहाँ पर हम लोग सीन रख लेते हैं. This is pretty cool. I love this place. Look at this. There's a kid. There's a studio. There's a record. ये recording लग सब यहाँ keys लगे हुए हैं. There's like at least 30 instruments here. वो देखो कॉन्गो बजा रहा है. जो भी कॉन्गो नहीं है वो, छोटा कॉन्गो. जेम्बे है वैसे.
आडी मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ है. बर्थडे बॉय मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ है.
उसका बर्थडे था यार.
बर्थडे
आदित्य दत्ता, यस. जिसका मैंने नाम गलत डाल दिया था कवरोग्राम में. आई रोट आदित्य दत्त मीन्स आदित्य दत्ता. हाँ, आई एम गोना सी हिम लेफ्ट साइड पे.
गेस किया कि ये बाहर है. हाँ, ये बर्थडे बॉय है.
आई कैन सी जस्ट मी.
बर्थडे बॉय, गुड नाइट कर दो सबको. गुड नाइट कह रहा है बर्थडे बॉय.
I miss him. Anyways, fuck, I look good. मैं शादियों में जा रहा था क्या? I think मैं शादियों में जा रहा था. And oh, you see this? That's the flute I made, Janvi. Yes, you heard it right. I made it. Cool है यार ये. This is a very old t-shirt जो actually मेरे भाई की है. So this t-shirt may be 20 years old. भाई मैं मेक, क्योंकि वो पहनता था जब वो बड़ा हो रहा था. And look who just came. अंकित जग्गू. हमने अभी अभी तेरे बारे में कम से कम 10 मिनट का सेगमेंट करा था. Not 10 मिनट. This is also not my house. You're gonna see Jaggu also here. This is not my house. I don't know where this is. Please tell me where.
बाहर हूँ. But then I realized today, like, I'm honestly considering carrying a light for EOTD. Like, there in general, like this. Light case.
This looks like a hotel room.
I'm seriously
This looks like Jodhpur. This looks like Jodhpur. Yeah, I think this looks like Jodhpur.
क्या हाल है?
मैं बीमार हूँगा तो जोधपुर है ये.
इतना सब है कि मैं पूरी स्टोरी कर सुनाऊंगा. I'm very basic. पीक गया था.
Yeah, this is Jodhpur.
काफी गला भी बैठा हुआ है. 2-3 क्रोसिन ले लिए मैंने. But
I was so sick, man. This is a proper opportunity day. This is. I'm not kidding, Janvi. My body was aching. I have like high fever right now. This is one of the most difficult EOTDs I've ever done. Like every note, everything I'm doing here is taking the last breath of energy. You're right. 471. अब दिल्ली गया तो गया. Oh fuck. This is a painful EOT. This is a proper opportunity day. This is what we go through. And I promise myself जब मैं बीमार हूँगा मैं नहीं आऊँगा EOTD, but मैं आया था. And this was a very I think this is the last. Did I just download this? I don't think you can just download YouTube videos. Yeah, this is Jodhpur. थोड़ा ठीक हो गया था मैं. EOTD 500. Oh my gosh, तुम लोग के letters आए थे इसमें. This is a very wholesome EOTD. This is a core life moment also.
चलो आने दो सबको. नमस्ते नमस्ते.
The fuck are those letters? Yeah.
इससे शुरू करते हैं. ये handwriting है.
तन्मया ने लिखा है. तन्मया ने.
इतनी beautiful handwriting.
Yeah, that's such a beautiful.
500. Best opening है. चलो पढ़ते हैं. मेरे बाद
उस हिसाब से ये दिस वाज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ वेरी लॉन्ग यूटीडी. एक घंटा 2 मिनट. कल हमारा यूटीडी 1 घंटा 8 मिनट का था और मुझे इतना लंबा लगा नहीं. Anyways, sorry. Now you guys must be seeing time now. Yeah, let's just quickly go through all of these. Such कितने बढ़िया. Like YouTube automatically gives me like really nice 3 thumbnails to choose from. उनमें से एक बहुत अच्छा. Oh, okay. This is now it going in a territory of 500s, which I also remember as some of the darkest days. ये मेरे दोस्त का घर है. No. This is also my house. This is मेरे घर की vicinity में एक और जगह. This is my friend's house. Your handwriting was the best. It almost looked like it was printed, lol. I had to stay उधर तो मैं नहीं आ पाया. Like I couldn't go home. Anyways, why did I 540 पे पहुंच गया ना? Oh, but this doesn't count as बाहर वाला. इसमें कोई special नहीं है. This is the second UTD I think or third, I don't know. जिसमें मेरे पास instrument नहीं था. So I thought I'll show you. Okay, I think we're traveling again now. This is a random fucking bus stop. मैं रोड पे हूँ अभी. ऑलमोस्ट रोड पे हूँ. किसी कोने ऑफ द प्लेस में हूँ बिकॉज फकिंग रेस्टोरेंट में जहाँ हमारी बस ने रोका था they didn't let me in. Sit without not buying something. मैंने पता क्या कहता तुम हो तो I think so if I'm not wrong. अंकित चला गया but Ankit also will come. This is also one of the prettiest places I'm gonna do UTD in future. Fine. निकलना है and I hope. See, I found a new place because problem हो गई थी. I think I was gonna get crushed by a car or something. Yep. बिल्कुल याद नहीं है. I did UTD Tana Height. This is the first time I think your choice of words has been wrong. I did do UTD. How many people are gonna look at? It's like I should rephrase that. This is the first time your choice of words couldn't be more wrong because I did UTD. It was just not online. Have we changed the definition? This is wrong, man. I mean, I did do UTD. If that's not UTD, that's how you're right. The definition of UTD is a conversation between me and Tana Height. Us terms mein maybe you're right. But this it has to, like, the fact that I actually did it has to count at something, and not calling it's just painful to me right now. It wasn't EOTD the way EOTD is, like, obviously in its core, but it is something. That's the thing, Janvi. That's what I'm saying. I am an introvert, but I do. This is the perfect examples of how it can be really, really difficult to do this every day of your life. You know, this is a. It's like I'm not saying it's difficult. I'm just saying it's not easy. So these are one of the most fucking beautiful places, man.
UTD, I think 450, 500.
This is
it's 500. This beautiful place, and
fuck! Look at that, man! Look at that! Oh my god! This is Triyan.
It's been a long day. मेरे सारे कपड़े भीग गए हैं, and I just बहुत ठंड लग रही है.
Why is this binaurally? So this is very weird. मेरे right side से आया अभी. Oh, okay. I know, man, but it has to count for something. Because
place, man. Look at this fucking place.
I'll tell you why I want this to be counted, because मैं ना डेलाइट कर रहा हूँ वहाँ, डेलाइट कैप्चर करने की कोशिश. There's a lot of things that go around.
But these are my boys जिनके साथ मैं ट्रैक कर रहा था. But yeah, I think they're making a. मैं एक सेकंड अब मैं शुरू करता हूँ so that मेरी कुकड़ियाँ ना जम जाएं. ठीक है.
सच
पता नहीं क्या.
Wow, what was that? Again, what the fuck was that? काफी सुर में था लेकिन. मेरे को पहाड़ों पे 2 गाने तो गाने होते हैं, ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा and this is also pretty cool. So all of these now we're gonna go one after the other. It is one after the other. जहाँ सिग्नल की थोड़ी इशू हुई. So this is
456. मैंने अभी दोबारा EODD शुरू किया था, but like
this is a funny story. So I did half of an EODD, like थोड़ा सा EODD, and I realized recording बंद हो गई या क्या हो गई, या फिर I went live, and then I went live and it couldn't connect. Then I messaged that मैं ऐसे ही करता हूँ. There was very little network. फिर क्या हुआ, मैंने EODD on किया, but I think मैंने record नहीं किया था या कुछ हुआ that I had to restart EODD. So this is the 3rd attempt to me actually doing EODD. Yeah, I think I posted this on like on my story, so you might have just checked the link और उसमें देखा होगा.
like I accidentally
The
pressed
the
whatever.
cool thing
So,
is where this
मैंने
EOTD
highlight
is
करा.
in.
तुम लोग को नहीं पता क्या मैंने बताया था, तो मैं लोग
So this was a small like a shop. उसके बगल में चाय पीने के लिए एक छोटा सा पहाड़ों के like धर्म कोट में there was this beautiful little spot जहाँ बहुत सारी chairs थी, and it's a very pretty spot. वहाँ हमने बहुत chill मारा, and yeah, so चाय का एक spot था while you were ascending through stairs, so it was a very pretty place.
मैं assume करो तुम्हें conversation.
And this is why I love DTOites again. We are fucking 9, like we're a lot of people. I think how many people are we? Like 6 or 7. Look at how quiet they are.
पता थी.
This is the only issue with my Noida friends and DTU friends. DTU friends know how to be fucking quiet. Like,
इसमें गाना
that's why I can't be quiet because मैं Noida से हूँ. I just,
गाना
yeah,
जा रहा हूँ. मैं कहा गाने रुक जाओ.
they're very quiet. I think मैं सबको good night करता हूँ. So you might hear कौन कौन है. Yeah, this is a very, very, this is the perfect good night for like everyone who's around. देखते हैं. सबको मैं एक एक करके good night करता हूँ. We were sitting in a circle.
हम सोते हैं. Oh, thank you. But अच्छा लग रहा है. EODD में मुझे claps नहीं मिले because I'm usually like.
That's true. This is the only UDD where I got an applause.
धर्म कोट में. That's the place. Good night. So good night, Miss Kata.
So this is a very special UDD. Honestly, I'm trying to how can we not count this, yaar?
Good night.
I mean, it does miss a very core part of UTD. That's true. I remember why I made that definition now, because it is true. It doesn't mean the same when it's not with you. But that's the point. You did see it. Anyways, let's just call not like half an EOTD. But I don't know, because I did that. उस दिन तो गाया. Oh right, Rana Hyde. I'm sorry.
Good night. I just been here. Good night.
सौरभ को कर रहा हूँ. Wait, किसको good night किया? I'll tell you everyone who was on that trip.
Rancourt में, the night place. Good night.
Sorry, I'm gonna start.
So good night miss करता है. So good night guys.
ये अंकित है. This is Ankit who just came.
Good night.
Jaggu good night. Ankit Jaglan who just came away. He fucking left though. One of the best. Lucky good night.
Good night, Lucky.
Good night, Lucky. आशीष लाइक हमें गुड नाइट कर रहा है. पुनिया गुड नाइट. आशीष पुनिया गुड नाइट. सौरभ को गुड नाइट. तो कितने लोग हो गए? अंकित, लकी, सौरभ, पुनिया. किसको बोला भी? नवनीत. 5 लोग हो गए. भव्य भी होगा. Yeah, 6 people. So we total 7. I don't think there was और कोई नहीं है. Yeah, it's us 7.
अब हम सोएंगे मस्त. बहुत
थक गए हैं.
थक गए हैं हम.
I know because हम बहुत थके हुए थे. That's how I figured out. किसी का पैर.
किसी का दिल है टूटा. Bye. Hi, good night. Arshi, good night.
Fana, hi, good night. Arshi.
हमने खाए बहुत सारे बारी बारी से. ओ थुपका.
थुपका.
ओ थुपका.
Oh my god.
Bye bye.
Fucking hell. You know, पुनिया ने थुपका मंगाया था तो shit था और उसने खाया भी नहीं. ये EOTD ने recommend किया है वीडियो. So I'm gonna like it. But we don't. This is pretty cool. This looks like EOTD. Oh, thuppa hai wo. Why would it be called thuppa? You sing it pretty well. Anyways,
Oh my god.
this is another spot that we went.
नहीं हो रहा.
It's pretty nice. Did I show you guys this place? Yeah, I did. I show you.
Honestly, I'll show you
ये अंकित ने मेरे को हेल्प किया सेटअप करने में. Look how much effort he put for EOTD.
this place. मैं उस place के roof पे हूँ जहाँ I'm staying. I put this torch for
अच्छा, I
EOTD.
put it.
And ये बड़ी अच्छी सी vibe है. There's a little background
ये
noise.
छत है of the place.
There was a
I don't know why I imagine कि अंकित ने किया था, but he did come and he did shush a foreigner for me. Oh, this is me reacting to. This is triple Inception. You're gonna see triple Inception right now. Let me switch on the light. Triple Inception. That's how you heard the fucking audio. That's sad. That's like bursting in tears. Why did I click the video, Vinayak? We've reached 5:49. अभी तो हम लंदन में नहीं पहुंचे. Should I stop right now because I do wanna sing as well. This was Dharamkot. Let me Dharamkot. Oh, I haven't write down when it was. So this is, let's just put it 5:44 से 48. 5:44 to 5:48. एक और घटिया सा बस स्टॉप है किसी रोड के कोने पे मैं गा रहा हूँ विद द सेम फकिंग शर्ट क्योंकि कपड़े ले जाना इज अ मुश्किल टास्क हर जगह. Anyways, this is not my house. One day trip to where? This is the question.
Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Where
No.
am I don't know where this is.
No. कैसे हो यार? चाइना हाइड आएंगे पहले सबसे पहले.
And the amount of times we've watched so many videos right now and I've said try and hide.
Hello. This is आज तो बहुत sync में हुआ है. Let me.
Oh, this is a sync day. हमारा hello same time पे
It's
था.
my actually let's not touch.
I've
it.
stopped doing that. What is wrong with me?
But आज मैं अपने bestest friend के घर पे हूँ.
This is Mriga.
यूटी भी आती है. उसने अपनी दीवार पेंट करी है.
This is मृगा का घर. आगे चलते हैं. This is मृगा का घर. मृगा के घर I think 3-4 EOTDs करे हैं मैंने. 594. Wait, where is 365? 365 was also not at my home. That was in Indrapuram. Yeah, what is wrong with me? How did I not see this? अतुल है यहाँ मेरे साथ. How I casually remembered this. Pretty rememberable day though. This was a nice day.
4 स्टोरीज आती हैं, वो अतुल ने रिकॉर्ड की थी. Everyone
अतुल है ये.
is here. Trying to hide her own.
Oh hi Rishilaya.
Rishilaya है, Nitin है, everyone is here. Cheers.
This is Navneet का घर.
And most important, of course.
मैं खुला दारू पी रहा हूँ. What the fuck?
Talking about man.
This is exactly why I don't pray.
Of course, यहाँ से
So when you upload a YouTube video now, I'll show what options it gives. ठीक है? And it has a very specific criteria. कि whatever, let's just put any video. ठीक है? And when you go down, it's like, is it made for kids? I always press no. And this is the perfect because I don't want to think about it. ठीक है कि is it made for? I'm pretty sure it's not.
video.
मैं बहुत कस literally हम fuck you गाते हैं.
तीन पे भी था, हमदाबाद में भी था.
This is Navneet का घर. Pretty cool. Anyways, where were we? This is 594. That's Noida. So I'm not gonna write it down. पता नहीं अचानक से बहुत सारी places कम नहीं हो गई जब से हम ये कर रहे हैं. This doesn't look like my house. This is Ghaziabad. This is Greater Noida. Me and Akshi and Mriga, we went to ये काफी एक रात में मैंने काफी पैसे उड़ाए थे. हम लोग ने एक रिजॉर्ट बुक किया था, हमने चिल मारा, बहुत ऐसे वी सोजू की बॉटल्स लाए थे एंड वी वर डांसिंग. हम लोग ने कार्ड्स खेले, वी वॉच्ड अ हॉरिबल शिटी मूवी. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल डे था वो. हम लोग उसके बाद स्विमिंग भी करी थी हम सब ने, जहाँ मेरे दोनों दोस्त गिर गए थे. एंड हमने बच्चों के साथ एक स्विमिंग पूल गेम भी खेली थी. दिस इज ऑल्सो doesn't look like my house. Is it? This is the Janvi EOTV. This is Bangalore. You can hear Janvi now.
Hello, Chana. What's up? मैं ना
जानवी की क्यूट सी गिगल भी सुनाई दे रही है.
Hello.
Wait, did I miss?
Hello. Hello.
मेरे को लग रहा है जानवी एसी की वेट कर रही है तब से. एसी.
दिल मेरा ले लो.
हेलो दिल मेरा ले लो. क्या बात
अच्छे
है.
सिंगर है ना, उनके साथ बैठा हूँ. मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कराता हूँ. This is प्रांशु. प्रांशु, क्या हाल है बख्शी?
हाँ मैं भी वही सोच रहा था.
ये है प्रांशु.
What a pretty lighting, no?
It's not even.
I think this room has influenced my lighting.
जो अगर गाएगा तो मैं गा.
Literally.
तो ये जानवी है. जो अगर गाएगी तो
जो
मैं
मैंने
गा
नहीं
सकता.
दिखाया, sorry.
जो अगर गाएगा तो मैं गा नहीं सकता. फिर ये जानवी है. जो अगर गाएगी तो मैं गा नहीं सकता. हेलो. ये कल आया था लाइव पे.
Let me just
ये
increase
अनुराग
brightness.
है. ये इसको अर्थ सॉन्ग में देखा होगा. पता नहीं.
जानवी, look at
Red shirt
जानवी.
थी इनकी.
I can जानवी मेरे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. तू अपने आप को देख रही है.
And these are all singers that I've learned from. So मैं बहुत nervous उनके सामने गाने से. है ना? And this is not a lie. This is not a lie. There are people here that I've learned from, and it's gonna be a buzzard, probably.
Such a well put way. It was a buzzard in the most beautiful way possible. I have to say, so this is the thing. I have had people in EOTD. ठीक है, like there are good musicians who've been on EOTD, but I don't know. ये 3 musicians. I can't believe Janvi we are here for me to say, but I have to say this. ये 3 musicians are the perfect. Like these are these are musicians who know their craft really well, but yet they listen. And yet they give space, yet they do crazy shit, yet they, you know what I'm saying? Like, you wanna listen to them so, like, it's just unreal how perfect this, like, it's like extreme talent with humility when it matches. It's like these 3 musicians. I think that this is a core life moment. I absolutely love this EOTD.
Let me see how it's looking.
When I say that I don't want people to be in EOTD, this is where I say maybe some people are really like perfect for EOTD.
Beautiful boy.
Look, hear that shit, man. And everyone's bonkers drunk. Man, I'll tell you why this is EOTDs of all time. I'll tell you why all 3 of them relate to me so much. I'll tell you why, Janvi, you relate to me why so much. Because regardless of कोई हमें सुन रहा है या नहीं, that doesn't matter. जब हमें गाने का मौका मिलता है, and this has been कैसे बोलूँ मैं, the word I'm looking for, exaggerated here because we're drunk. जब हमें गाने का मन करता है, हम बहुत ज़्यादा गाते हैं, हम खुल के गाते हैं, हमें चिल्लाने का मन करता है, हमें रन्स मारने का मन करता है, हमें बस वी जस्ट वाना लाइक गले का इस्तेमाल करने का मन करता है. So this is an example of how exaggerated that feels because we're all in that state right now, and as soon as we like हमारा गला चल रहा है, हमें चलाने का मन करता है, you know. First starting, I didn't go all the nuts because new place. नहीं यार मैं yeah, exactly. I muted it. But I have to tell you the reason I didn't say कि हम एक सोलो करते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं, because at the end of the day EOTD is a place पे मुझे भी गाना बहुत important है. So I think that's why I was like मैं तो गाऊंगा ही गाऊंगा. Like I have to sing. वरना EOTD मेरे लिए pointless है. Oh my god. And I love the fact that you guys respected that. Unlike EOTD 76 or 77. क्या बात है जानवी. But I would die to have ऐसे kind of EOTDs every fucking day. Was that Branshu beatboxing? That was pretty good. Such a beautiful day. Let's just do it. Let's do improvisational sections. Twice. ऐसे that's my only advice. So this is gonna be our EOTD thing that we do today. आज हम ये ट्रांसक्राइब करते हैं. What the fuck did everyone sing? This is gonna be our EOTD आज. एक सेकंड. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा ना, इतना सीखने को है ना इस अगले 1 मिनट के अंदर यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. Time of our life. क्या गया? ओके, क्या है ये बंदा भाई? क्या है ये बंदा? What the fuck? बस इतना करते हैं टाइम ऑफ योर लाइफ। क्या गाए Yeah. But think twice. Yeah, this is the part where that's my. Oh, I'm not. The first run I ever did trying to hide was when I heard this dude right in front of you. I literally copied this guy. I think गा सकते हैं यार, बहुत थोड़ा मुश्किल है. That make you crazy. अब जान में बहुत ऊपर है यार, मैं वो कैसे करूं? Oh my god, that was pretty cool. Crazy, ये भी किया, बहुत अच्छा था ये. Drunk fuck Vinayak. Janvi. मेजर चलेगा. क्या गाए? नीला गा 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 मा बड़ा तेज था. अब मेरे को बोलना था जानवी गाएगी और जानवी समझ गई. अभी जानवी की बारी है. अब जानवी, you will hate it because every time you hate.
Listen for Janvi. Let's go.
Big job. ये क्या है? क्या नहीं, कुछ अलग था. क्या बात है, क्या बात है जानवी. क्या बात है. मैं ज्यादा हिंदुस्तानी हो गया लेकिन ये अच्छा नहीं ये that may क्या बात है जानवी फुल बेल्ट मार रही है. चलो मैं राखी वाली क्या विब्राट इनके बड़े विब्राट हाँ ऐसे वाले हैं. क्या बात है भाई. मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा ये बहुत सही है. ये मैं भी करता हूँ ऐसे. यार ये पता नहीं क्या इंसान है भाई. What the fuck man, look and hear that. I think this is you're literally hearing one of the greatest vocalists of all time. And this is when he's drunk out of his mind. Without practicing, without performing for years. Let me tell you that he hasn't sung in maybe a year. Proper blues singer है. Yeah, man. मेरे को इम्प्रोवाइज करना चाहता ही नहीं. मैं इम्प्रोवाइज करूं. मेरी बारी थी. यार ये तो हर जगह यही सेम डालता था मैं. नहीं ये थोड़ा चेंज है. I can, you know how I sang it right now because I see how my mind works. I like how सब समझ गए कि मैं soft गाना चाह रहा था. Anyways, this is a great day. This is all Bangalore. This is all Bangalore. This is all Bangalore. This is where I lost a lot of weight. Fuck, I do look thinner. Like tremendously thinner. Anyways, this is when I gained weight again. This is my favorite party. Shikar Lakhuna. Like हम दोनों हैं. Hello. I think this is niggas. Come. Did I say the N word? I did add Bangalore to the list. 605. 3, 2, 1. Hello. Yeah. एकदम टाइप पे. एकदम टाइप पे. एक सा मेरा टायर आ रहा है तुम्हें को. I like how everyone's curious कि EOTT पे लोग comment क्या कर रहे हैं, कौन live है. Nobody wants to. I'm not talking about Shikhar, but generally लोगों का यहीं पर ध्यान होता है. No, I think that's also to do with when you go live for the first time, because I think Shikhar went live for the first time. 6:38 was my farewell somewhere in Gurgaon. 6:38. अपने फेयरवेल में मैंने काफी खर्चा. Anyways, this is. Should we stop now because I really want to sing now? Where the fuck is this? This is not my house. This is not my house. This is Oh, I think this is London. I think this is London. So we've missed a lot of things. 6:48. या यहाँ पर वो प्यारी सी डॉग भी थी जिसका नाम भूल गया. अब let's not do London today. Let's do London maybe on a later day. Hello. मैं लंदन हूँ and this room is so quiet and nice. Oh my god. Vinayak, that's not a nice thing always. Bhai, the amount of things that has happened अब मैं कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? मैं कल रात फिर से नहीं सोया because EOTD document करने लग गया था and I did not get to document much also. I only documented like 5-6. I'm gonna sing softly because my Airbnb में I don't walk wake her up. In fact, I think मैं उस side aim करके गाऊँगा. Anyway, I चेकिंग करा रहा हूँ 1.5 घंटा लाइन में रख के, ठीक है, और फिर मैं गिटार उन्होंने बोला आपका गिटार नहीं जाएगा हैंड लगेज में. Yeah, it's not first. Because this is not a hard case. The amount of things I actually went through the next fucking month is insane. Like, it was overwhelming. I'll be very honest. It was too much. In a nice and a bad way. Mommy aa gayi. So I was like, what to do? मैं बाहर गया. मैं अपना बैग. It was nice, mostly nice. स्वेटर्स निकाले. स्वेटर्स से पूरा गिटार रैप किया. उसको बबल पॉलिथीन रैप. Oh right. मैं फ्रिज आगे करके अंदर दे दिया. भाई बहुत कुछ हुआ था इस एक दिन में. चिकन कराया. भाई मैंने 10,000 रुपए दिए सिर्फ मेरे गिटार के. When I guess 100 pounds. ठीक है, गिटार लाने के लिए EOTD आज करने के लिए मेरे को 12,000 रुपए लगे. ठीक है, 12,000 रुपए कम नहीं होते. ठीक है. That is true. फिर पूरा दिन 20 घंटे की जर्नी में सोया नहीं हूँ. But I have to sing a song today जिसके मुझे लिरिक्स आते हों. Oh my god, I just realized इससे ज़्यादा memorable EOTD तो इससे just पहले वाला है. I just realized that. Wait, I am back home. What? That can't be true. Oh, अच्छा मैं नीचे चला गया था. So, I think this इससे ज़्यादा memorable. Yeah, I think this is 6:47 is damn memorable. Fuck, मेरे बाल उसने अजीब तरीके से काटे थे. You can literally see my head. उसने पता क्या है? There's this weird अजीब सा scissor. उसके बड़े सारे अलग अलग scissor ऐसे गोल गोल होते हैं. And he just put it in my head. And उसने काटे जा रहा बट मेरे बाल छोटे नहीं हो रहे. मुझे घर जाके पता चला उसका क्या था. First EOTD song that we ever did. And hallelujah. Her kitchen chair. I think this was a very. What I hear when you don't say a thing. This is reliving 6:47 days. This was a very painful EOTD. Trust me. It doesn't look like it, but it was. This is a very fuck all place. नहीं, this नहीं. हाँ, अब मैं एक बहुत fuck all place पे जाऊँगा. Oh, this is a 2 crore का piano EOTD. जानवी, you really liked it. I remember this. तूने बहुत तारीफ की थी इस piano की. यहाँ पर Janvi started becoming regular, if I'm not wrong. यहाँ पर तो she was definitely a regular. You've been a regular London में. Ooh, lights came on 733rd. And yes, we're back home. 740 pe. Now it's been a while since I've gone home. I didn't go back again, no? Yeah. On that very note, we haven't done EOTD abhi tak. That's the fucked up part. I'm sorry agar kisi ko jana hai. Because I was thinking we'll stop where we left off yesterday. Yeah. It's weird, no? After, I don't know, 1 hour, you're like, let's start EOTD. I'll try to, we'll not do much chats. Don't worry. Let's just revise Kalka. And maybe sing Anushka wala part because I think it's gonna take Anushka G wala part. Because it's gonna take a while. Yeah. Let me just पहले ये की ढूंढने दो. यार ये गिटार भी अच्छी है. I think हमने सारे भयानक पार्ट से कर लिए except one. जन्म सोमो ही नहीं चल रहे हैं. This is the thing. ये जो बज रहा है और ये जो बज रहा है बहुत फर्क है. जेकब कॉलियर ने ट्यूनिंग अलग तो करी है. Let me tune it. I think this is very close to. So we went 30 cents above 440 Hz. क्या बात है जानवी? You didn't even send a picture. How rude. Whenever anyone buys an instrument, they should send me a picture. I am the perfect person to be happy about it. I think 30 is too much. 26. Yeah, 26. Congratulations. कुछ पूछना पूछ लेना, मैं यूटीडी बता दूंगा. धा 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 da 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 I'm on a rock somewhere in the only one I know, and I know it well. Somehow I know you were there in the morning on the road. I'm ringing on the old church bell. You've forgotten how it goes, but it feels like hell. I guess you're in heaven now, and you're never going home. Cause even when I'm wide awake, I know you've been moving on a dream for sure. Nothing ever gonna change at all. I'll be waiting on the wall. Go. सही है सही है मगा पा मगा से मगा पा मगा ने सा पा ने सा नहीं ध pa pa ma pa ga pa ma ga pa ma ga ne sa dha ni re ma da ni sa pa ni ma ni pa pa ma pa ga ma sa ga ma pa ni sa ga ni sa pa ni ma pa ga ma sa ga ni sa pa yeah ni ma ni pa pa ma pa ga ma sa ga ni sa ga 이거 pa ma pa ga ma sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ga ni sa pa ma ga ma na ni ni and this in the words I swear